What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to an update on Apecoin. We'll take a look at Apecoin technically, but we'll also discuss some fundamentals. So let's get right into it. I hope you're all doing great, by the way, and I hope you're all having a great weekend. So a quick recap of my last analysis of Ape, which you can clearly see, and also just a discussion of the market structure. You can clearly see that we hit a major resistance level. All right. I mean, there are some bullish fundamentals that were pushing Ape up. Like the staking, that's the main thing. That's the main thing which is making Ape more bullish right now. I won't dive too deep into that because I'm actually not an expert on it or anything, but I know it's bullish and I know it's still going on. Like December the 12th is when some parts are coming out at least, and other staking possibilities of the token have already launched. But what I said last video and about the technicals is that you have this bearish momentum pushing us down. And then you have this support level, which I drew all the way down to 3.9. But in general, and what I also said last video, that's why I put this line all the way down here, is that you actually have another support at 3.8, which is very important. You got that 200 EMA and that 100 EMA, so that gold and silver line, both very strong support levels. And I said, as long as we can stay on top of that, I still think, and I just deleted that, but I still think that we can actually get a bullish breakout, which would mean breaking above 4.15. I think that's enough. If we break above 4.15, then I think we're moving up to 4.5, 4.6. So the question is this still the most likely scenario? And I just to be clear, I do think so. Apecoin still is very bullish. We still have bullish fundamentals coming up. And as most of you know, if there are some more bullish fundamentals coming up, the price usually is still bullish. Now, if those fundamentals are there and it's over, usually we crash quite a bit. So I do expect that crash for Apecoin as well. But not just yet. I actually think it's more likely that either today or tomorrow we'll actually be able to get that bullish breakout above 4.15. Take a break retest, as I said, and then get up to 4.5, 4.6. Now, do I think we're able to break through 4.5, 4.6? No, I don't think so. I mean, next week is going to be fundamentally a very important week for crypto in its entirety. So if Bitcoin is really bullish, if Bitcoin goes up to like 18,000, sure, then Apecoin could get to $5. That would be the next resistance level. But for now, given these current market circumstances, I think 4.5 and 4.6 is my price target. And when we actually hit that level, I'll also do another update whether we can, I mean, just based on the touch we get off of that, whether we can maybe break through that or whether that's going to be the resistance. So this is what I expect. I mean, you should know that that today obviously is a Saturday. So volume for Apecoin is growing, but it's still very low. Probably the volume in the process of tomorrow, it's probably going to grow, and usually Sunday evening, Sunday afternoon, and Monday morning we get some big moves. So something like that is also what I would expect for Apecoin. So on the short term, we might not break above 4.15. We might just stay in this market structure we have right now. And then because of the fundamentals, which I also think that the market fundamentally is going to be a little bit more bullish, and we can see that in the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that will also help this breakout. So then we'll break above 4.15, as I said, and start moving up towards 4.5 or 4.6, basically the upper bound of this entire key area. So yeah, that's my take on Apecoin for today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know down in the comments. But for now, take care and bye.